Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare Adhirasam, which is a traditional and famous South Indian sweet, for which we will need the following ingredients. Rice flour got from 2 cups of soaked rice. I have soaked the rice for about 2 hours and then I have grinded it, and this is the flour I have got from that after sieving, that is the smooth flour, and I have kept the remaining coarse flour separately. We will need half a cup of that. 2 cups of grated jaggery, and this is the half cup of coarse flour which I have got after sieving, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 7 to 8 green cardamoms crushed. So to explain more, I have soaked the rice for 2 hours, 2 cups of rice, and I have grinded it in a mixer and I am sieving it. Below is the smooth rice flour and above I have got the coarse rice flour. So it is the smooth flour and the coarse flour got from 2 cups of rice, that's the measurement. Next, in a pan I am going to add the 2 cups of grated jaggery, and I am going to add a little bit of water, around about quarter cup of water, very less amount of water, and I am going to allow it to come to a boil. The procedure is we are going to prepare the jaggery syrup to a 1 string consistency. So the minimum level of water you add, the quicker you get the syrup. So to check the consistency, what you have to do is pour 2 to 3 drops in a bowl of water, and if it disappears in the water, it is not the perfect consistency like this. So you can see it disappears in the water when I touch it. You have to get a ball when you try to shape it in the water. That is the perfect consistency. So we'll wait till that. Meanwhile, I'm going to add the rice flour in a big bowl and add the coarse flour also along with the poppy seeds and crushed green cardamoms. Mix it well and keep it ready. Let it be aside. And now we'll get back to the jaggery syrup. It has become more thicker now, you can see that. Again I'm going to pour a few drops in a bowl of clean water, and now you can see it is denser now, and when I try to shape it, it forms into a clean ball like this, which means it is in the perfect consistency. So what we are going to do is we are going to pour this jaggery syrup into the rice flour mixture and mix it well. If you are using ready-made rice flour, you have to use 3.5 cups of rice flour, and for the coarse flour what you have to do is soak a little bit of rice and grind it coarsely and put it, that is half cup of coarse flour. You need not sieve it. So if you are using directly the rice flour, use 3.5 cups of rice flour and half cup of coarse flour, and if you are grinding it at home, use 2 cups of rice. Now the rice flour mixture is ready. What we have to do is we have to allow it to settle down for about 24 hours. So the next day you can see it has settled down. It will thicken more than we have left the other day. You can see it is a little bit thicker. If you feel that the rice mixture is very loose on the other day when you prepare it, you can add little more rice flour and you should get this texture the other day. And now we are ready to fry the Adhirasam. Just grease some plastic sheets or polythene paper and punch a ball out of the prepared mixture and flatten it in the polythene paper. First prepare a ball like this and then just flatten it in the greased paper. For the traditional shape, it is usual to hold because that's the usual shape, and now fry it in oil. It just takes less than a minute to get fried. If you are a bit careless, it will get burnt off, so be careful. Since I am using a large vessel, I am frying 3 to 4 at a time. If you are using a small vessel, try to fry 1 by 1 or 2 at a time, not more than that, because it will stick to each other and it will be difficult for you to fry it. And when you get this dark golden brown color, take it and serve. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.